Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today, for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to create Apple ID in Android mobile. So to do that, you need to open the Google Chrome in your mobile device. Tap open Google Chrome. Once you open the Google, on the search bar, you need to type in appleid.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page of Apple ID over here. So once you're at the official web page of Apple ID, what you need to do over here is you need to tap on the drop down menu at the right side. Tap that, and here you will have the three options: sign in, create your Apple ID, FAQ. Tap that, create your Apple ID, tap on it. This will direct you to the another page where you will be able to create a Apple ID for yourself. Now to create a Apple ID, now you will need to provide the information over here. So type in your first name, type in your last name, then you choose your country region, and then type in date of birth. Now here you will need to provide a email address for your new Apple ID. So I'm just gonna go and type in a email address of mine. Now below you type in the password. You need to retype the same password for confirmation. Here you will need to provide a phone number as well. So tap on the country region and then provide the phone number. You need to provide a valid phone number so that it can always be accessed. It will be used to verify your identity anytime you sign in on new device or the new web browser. Now you need to choose the option of how you want to verify your phone number, that is either text message or phone call. I'm gonna go with the text message option, and now you scroll down, and here you need to make sure that you tick mark on both of these checkbox over here, the announcement, and the second is Apple Music, TV and more. Now you need to type in the characters that you see in the box over here, and then scroll down and tap on continue. Now an email with a verification code has been sent to the email address of yours. You need to go and check your Gmail. Tap open Gmail. There's the Apple Mail. Tap open that. Now all you need to do is copy this code from here. Tap on copy and paste it over the text box over here. Tap on paste. And then tap on next. With this, the verification of email address will be completed and you will need to verify your phone number. Here, a code will be sent to the mobile number of yours. You type in that code over here. There's the Apple message. Tap on paste and then tap on next. This will verify your phone number as well. And with that, your Apple ID has been created. So this is how you can create a Apple ID in Android devices. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.